from the first time I saw ya. You were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning.
When you drive to Orlando for the second day, in 2 days, you have to stop and get some Starbucks. So we're heading back to Orlando. We were actually out in Orlando yesterday for some really exciting things that I'm gonna tell you all about when we get to Orlando. I'm gonna show you guys my physique update as well later on in this video, but that's gonna all be in Orlando. So let's head to Orlando, let's drink some coffee, let's get this day going. Well, it's like 3:30, so the day's already going.
Kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me. The one
we made it to Orlando, guys. We're actually at Caleb's dad and stepmom's house. We're staying here all weekend. We do have the house to ourselves though, because Caleb's dad and stepmom, they went to Cuba on a cruise for Christmas, which is super, super cool. But it is currently 5:19. It has been a very long day. I digress. We did get some vegan pizza from this little pizzeria down the road. We're gonna eat some pizza, watch Mile 22 because we love those action movies, kind of unwind for the night because tomorrow is gonna be a very busy day, and I'll tell you guys in the next couple clips why we're actually in Orlando, what has been going on. So this is gonna be a 2-part vlog, so today and tomorrow. I don't even know. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. It's time for a physique update. I told you I was gonna do it last night, but I'll be honest, I got to watching Mile 22 and it was so intense, and next thing I knew it was like 12 o'clock and I was like, I'm going to bed. But now it's the next day, so we'll do a physique update. I am currently 111.8 pounds, completely naked. Goal is to get to 125 to 130 pounds. Before I was diagnosed with cancer, I was 130 pounds, but I also had a 5.5 pound tumor in me and I've had organs removed. So essentially I was like 125 pounds before I was diagnosed, and now that I don't have any, well, I have organs, but now that I'm missing some organs, I'll most likely get to 125 and be good. But my goal is 120 to 130. Around that range. I've gained 3 pounds in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. I did revert back to a more plant-based diet, so I do 50% like vegan meals and then 50% non-vegan meals. So now I am working out 5 times during the week, and oh my gosh, I finally feel my body really changing. I feel the muscles growing, my booty is finally growing, because that's the thing that takes the longest on my body to grow is my lower half, my upper body. I can grow that in like a freaking day and I'm good. My legs, not so much. If you guys want to see a workout schedule, like full video where it's completely broken down and I can explain things more, then give this video a thumbs up. But this is my physique update right now. So yeah, there's that.
I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away.
Just got done eating and we have some special guests with us. So, say hi guys.
Hey. What's up?
This is Kirk, this is Katie. We are family. We are at Target and we have no idea what we wanted to do today. So when you have no idea what you want to do, what do? You go to Target. Mm-hmm. You go to Target. So we're gonna see what we can get our grubby little hands on. You know how it goes when you're at Target. You leave with absolutely everything that you did not need. Target was a success. I can't say it. So I went into Target. We had no idea why we were in Target. We were just trying to kill time, figuring out what we all wanted to do. But I did grab 2 things from Target in the clearance section, and I wanted to show you. So it's this really cute shirt. It says blessed, has the roses, short sleeve. I'm excited about that shirt. The next one I got also in the clearance section. I got this really cute like baseball tee, and it says living my best life. This is a nice like pine green and then gold. I don't know. I love it. I love baseball tees. Love kind of the hipster, urban-y like vibe. That is kind of the style I have been going with lately. I don't know. I just really like the urban-y mismatch, just unique. I don't know. That's just me. But today has been a pretty successful day. We have some news though. You know what? I'm actually gonna wait till Caleb gets here. Now that my honey bunny is back from walking our first son, we have some exciting news to tell you. So the news is, drum roll honey, give me that drum roll please. We're moving!
Again. We're moving.
Again.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise. But no, for real, we are moving to Orlando. We're actually leaving Tampa January 11th, so things have been going really quickly for us. But the whole reason we are moving to Orlando is because we have an incredible business opportunity in Orlando that we're going to be able to talk to you guys a little bit more about in the future, probably more like 3-4 months from now. But yeah, we're really excited to talk to you guys more about that business opportunity. I don't want to be those people who are like, oh, we have something going on, but we can't tell you. I hate when people do that, but we have to be those people because... Also, another reason we're moving to Orlando is because our real estate business, specifically Kaleb's real estate business, is all in Orlando, so it doesn't make sense for us to be in Orlando, like almost every other day, it feels like?
We're in Orlando at least like 3 times a week. And since, our initial move to Tampa was because of you.
Yep.
And we were thinking about her and her health like we should, because it should come first. Mm-hmm. And she's doing so well and she's so blessed. Amen. That she doesn't have to go to the doctor for anything really for the next just 2 months, 60-day checkup. So it just doesn't make much sense for us to stay out there when we be driving to Orlando so many times when we only have to come to Tampa once a month.
Once every 2 months.
Once every 2 months. So.
Yeah, so basically the whole reason we moved to Tampa originally was because Moffitt is in Tampa, and we didn't know how often I would be going to Moffitt because in Washington, we were there at least like 2 to 3 times a month, and we lived pretty far, so we didn't want to have that problem. Yeah, that problem or the same commute, but there's no point for us to really be out in Tampa anymore, especially when his business is out in Orlando, and now we have an incredible business opportunity out here that we can't wait to talk to you guys more about in the future. So yeah, that is our big news. There's been a lot going on in this video, like a lot. So
welcome to our lives.
Welcome to our life. We'll see you guys in the next one.